Nobara Linux versus Bazzite, which gaming Linux distro is better? Choosing the right gaming Linux distro can transform your gaming experience without sacrificing performance or compatibility. Both offer unique features tailored to gamers on Linux. Nobara Linux and Bazzite are both Linux distributions designed specifically for gaming. Nobara focuses on user-friendliness and out-of-the-box support for popular games and drivers, while Bazzite emphasizes performance optimization and a lightweight, minimal setup for advanced users. Nobara Linux is a gaming-focused Linux distribution built on Fedora, designed to provide a seamless experience for gamers. It comes preloaded with essential drivers, proprietary codecs, and gaming tools, enabling users to start playing quickly without manual setup. Nobara integrates support for Steam, Proton, and Lutris, making it easier to run Windows games on Linux. Its user interface is polished and accessible, appealing to gamers who prefer a ready-to-use system with minimal configuration. Strengths include broad hardware compatibility, strong community support, and frequent updates aligned with Fedora's ecosystem. However, Nobara's reliance on Fedora means it inherits some of Fedora's rapid update cycle, which may occasionally introduce instability for less experienced users. It is ideal for gamers who want a stable, out-of-the-box Linux gaming environment with modern features and easy access to popular gaming platforms. Bazzite is a gaming Linux distro designed for performance enthusiasts who want a lightweight and customizable experience. Built from a minimal Arch Linux base, Bazzite focuses on delivering maximum gaming performance with low system overhead. It includes essential gaming drivers and tools, but leaves most configuration to the user, allowing for a tailored setup. This approach benefits advanced users who want to optimize their system for specific hardware and game requirements. Bazzite's strengths lie in its minimalism, speed, and flexibility, making it suitable for high-end gaming rigs or users comfortable with Linux customization. However, its minimal pre-configuration means beginners may face a steeper learning curve and spend more time setting up their environment. Bazzite is ideal for gamers who prioritize performance and control, and who are comfortable managing Linux systems to squeeze out every bit of gaming power. When comparing Nobara Linux and Bazzite, the key trade-off is ease of use versus customization. Nobara offers a plug-and-play experience with broad hardware support and pre-installed gaming tools, perfect for gamers who want to jump straight into playing. Bazzite, on the other hand, delivers a more stripped-down environment that requires hands-on setup but rewards users with better performance and system control. For example, a casual gamer with mixed hardware will appreciate Nobara's convenience, while a competitive gamer with a high-end rig may prefer Bazzite's ability to fine-tune every aspect. Nobara's Fedora base means faster updates but potential stability risks, whereas Bazzite's Arch Foundation provides bleeding-edge software with the need for manual maintenance. Ultimately, the choice depends on your comfort with Linux and how much time you want to invest in system optimization. Nobara Linux is recommended for gamers seeking an easy-to-use, ready-made Linux gaming environment with strong hardware support and minimal setup time. Bazzite is best for experienced Linux users who want maximum gaming performance and customization. Choosing between Nobara and Bazzite depends on whether you value convenience or control. Both distros push Linux gaming forward, catering to different types of gamers effectively.